guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a fall makeup get ready with me. I bought some products that are new to me from Sephora during the appreciation sale, and I just wanted to try them out here on camera today. I haven't used a lot of these products, some I have, but I haven't used a lot of them, so I'm excited to get into it. Let's just get right on into it. Just gonna put my bangs back here. So they don't sell this at Sephora, but it is new to me. I wanted to try out the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I got this in the shade Fair 02, and I'm just gonna use this to prime my eyes. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Looks a little watery. This looks very light. Oh wow. Just gonna, oh wow. Yeah, this is so light. It's so hard to pick your shade online. Like, it is so hard. Just gonna prime my eyes with that. I'm so excited for fall. I can't wait for the weather to change. Okay, and then at the Sephora Appreciation Sale, I got the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna set, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna set my eyes with this. Alright, feels nice and soft on my eyes here. I'm going to go into the Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette. This is just screaming fall. Has lots of warm orangey and brown tones. Love it. I'm going to go in with my big fluffy Morphe M511 brush and just spread this color natural all over my eyelids. I don't know if this is going to be an everyday look or if this is going to be a glam look yet. I am just seeing how this goes. Just playing with makeup. Now I'm taking that natural shade and just really focusing it in the crease area. The next palette I'm going to use is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I know I already did a look with this, but this is also screaming fall to me. So I'm just going to go in with this palette now. I'm going to take the more precise Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to go into the shade. I really want to do orangey and reddy tones here. What should I do? I don't know if I want to go into Rush, Mugshot, or Alert. This is Rush, this is Mugshot, and this is Alert. I don't know. Just make a decision. I'm just gonna get crazy with it, and I'm gonna go into this shade called Mugshot, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm gonna go into the M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend that out a bit. I'm actually going to take this shade Rush right here, and I'm going to blend it out with that shade. I'm going to go a little bit higher this time above the crease where I just put that shade Mugshot, and I'm just going to blend out the edges with this. I'm going to go into this shade called Framed right here, this red shade. And I'm just going to take that with a flat brush, this Luxie 249 brush. I'm just going to put that all over the entire lid for a dark base. You know, I'm going to take the other side of that brush, the more fluffy side, and I'm going to go into this shade called Secret, this brown shade on the corner, and I'm just going to smoke that in my crease. I'm also going to mix this shade called Framed and Siren, and I'm going to put those in my crease as well. Being more precise with this brush and just putting it in the very, very crease of the eye. Alright, I'm going to go back into this M441 brush with no shadow, and I'm just going to blend out that crease. I really want my eyelid to be darker, so I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to go into the shade Framed again, this red shade, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid with my finger. So it's a more intense application. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go into this shade called Lolly, and I'm just going to take that with my pinky finger and just put it in the middle, just the center of my lid here. Right in the center. I was going to film a tutorial using the Dark Magic palette from the Vault collection, but when I started to film and I dipped my brush in the shades and I applied them on my eyelids, they were so patchy and it just wasn't working out. So I need to play with those more. I wiped the top off with a paper towel and I haven't tried it since then, so because I was pretty discouraged. Again, I'm just going to go into that M441 brush. I'm just going to blend out the crease. Make sure everything's blended together. Now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and sharpen up these edges and clean up all the fallout. For foundation, I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation at their Appreciation Sale. I got it in the shade Swan. Now I actually have tried this foundation before, but it was totally too dark for me and totally the wrong shade. I think I got it in the shade Nude and it was way too dark. So I'm trying this new shade that they came out with called Swan, and I'm going to try it out today. Hopefully it's my shade. I'm just going to take the Hangover RX primer and just prime my face with this. I'm going to take some of that foundation and pump it on the back of my hand. I really hope this is my shade. If not, we're going to make it work anyways. It's not too bad actually. I think that kind of works. I'm so bad at guessing my shade. No matter where I am. In the store, online, especially online. But I'm just so bad at trying to figure out what my shade is. I don't know why I'm so bad at it. But I've heard so many good things about this foundation that I really wanted to try it out again. What do you guys think? Is this a good shade match? I don't know. I honestly have no idea. This is a really sheer foundation, so I'm just going to try building it up a little bit more. I want a little bit more coverage today. Alright, I'm just going to blend that out with my sponge here. Blend out all the brush strokes. This claims to be a medium to full coverage, but I feel like it's more sheer to medium, not really full for me. Alright, so I know that concealer was really light, but I think I'm going to try it out anyways. Underneath my eyes here, let's see if, oh man, this is like white. This is like legit white concealer. Oh man. I'm just so bad at knowing my shades. Yeah. I look like a ghost now. Maybe I'll mix in some of my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in with that. This is more my color for sure. Just putting that underneath my eyes to balance that white out. I'm going to go back into that Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face with this. I actually don't have anything by Kat Von D, so I really wanted to give one of her products a try. I think that people really like her foundations and something else. I can't remember what it is, but alright, I also got the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. and I've heard really good things about this. I got milk chocolate because I'm very fair. I'm taking this Morphe M177 brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. I had to go get a blush because I forgot one, but I'm going to go into this little e.l.f. blush palette, and I think I'm going to go into this more of a peachy shade. I don't know, it's like a peachy brownish shade, and hopefully it's not too intense. I haven't gone into this palette in a while, but I wanted to use a less pinky shaded blush. I feel like I have mostly pinky shades. We're going to see if this works. This is actually, this is the Sonia Kashuk number 101 brush. Just going to apply that to the cheeks. Alright, yeah, well that is very subtle. I don't even see it. Don't care. For highlight, I'm going to go into Becca's Moonstone highlight, and I'm going to take this Morphe R36 brush. Okay, come on. And I'm just going to highlight the cheekbones with this. My under eyes are creasing really badly. Don't know how I like that Kat Von D setting powder. This is creasing awful. Unless it's the Colourpop concealer. I don't know. But they are creasing really bad. Everywhere else doesn't seem to be creasing too bad. But I can really see that powder sitting on my face. I don't know. I do not know. I'm going to go back into that Morphe Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take the shade Framed, and I'm going to go backwards this time. So I'm going to take the shade Framed on a smaller pencil brush. This is the one by Urban Decay. And I'm just going to take that shade Framed, and I'm going to smoke it out. Alright, now I'm going to take this more fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Mugshot, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line with that shade now. I'm going to take it down a little bit farther than that shade Framed. And I'm going to connect it with the top shadows that we just applied. I'm going to go back into that pencil brush in that shade Framed, and I'm going to deepen up that lower lash line. Alright. Now, this is going to be totally insane because it's not going to even match what I did with my eyes. But I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the shade Midnight in Paris. And it's actually a very deep blue shade. This is the deep blue shade. I got it from the Sephora sale, and I'm just going to line my eyes, the top lash line and the bottom lash line with this eyeliner. Alright, so I just finished tight lining my eyes. I'm going to go back into that Becca Moonstone highlight, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners with this. I love using this Milani crease brush for highlighting my inner corners. I'm just going to take that and highlight my brow bones too. Why not? Now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. The best tip I think I can give for applying mascara when you don't want to apply false lashes with a smoked out look like this would be to first apply a more lengthening mascara. So I have this Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express mascara, and this one, it separates my eyelashes, it makes them lengthy, and then I go in with a more voluminous mascara, and this is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes mascara, and this is going to make your eyelashes really pop and voluminous and really thick. And first you apply this one and then this one on top for your second or third coat. Okay, so I just applied some mascara, and for my final product that I wanted to show you guys that I got from Sephora is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And I got this in the mini version because the big one was expensive, and I had a budget, okay? My husband gave me a budget. So this is what it looks like. I've been wanting to try this out for a while. I'm gonna shake this up a bit. Then I'm gonna set my face. I think I mostly got my hair. That's okay. I'm just gonna let this dry before I open my eyes so that my crease doesn't crease. Along with the other stuff in the appreciation sale, I got the YSL Black Opium that I was talking about, that I was super excited about. I just got the little roller ball because the big one is, you know, expensive. But this is what it looks like, and it smells so good. This one is what I'll be wearing in fall, because this one, it just smells like, if you could give the word sultry a smell, it's this. Sultry eyes, sultry smell, sultry shirt, sultry. Love it. It smells so good, and it just reminds me of fall for some reason. I don't know. The notes, what are the notes in this again? So the notes for the Black Opium perfume is coffee accord, orange blossom, cedarwood essence, and patchouli essence. The style is addictive, floral, and energetic. So yeah. Coffee accord. I think that's why I like it so much. It just, I don't know, there's coffee accords in it, and I love the smell of coffee. Maybe that's why. I don't know, but I love it, and this is going to be my fall scent for sure. I really like how this eye look turned out. I think it looks really good, really sultry-esque for fall. Yeah, really like it. And the black, or the eyeliner, the blue eyeliner, doesn't make it look too bad. I think it just makes my eyes pop because they're kind of like greenish bluish, and that was like a darker blue eyeliner, so it really makes them pop. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This was kind of an all over the place video, like 3 different videos in one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you'd like to see videos every Tuesday and sometimes Saturday. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you soon. Bye! Yeah, I suck at tightlining. Just like right on my face.